What is up, guys? Bar Down here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I tape my knob on my stick. As you guys can see, my other video was how I tape my blade, but now I'm going to be doing my knob, even though it doesn't need to be taped. So I'm going to untape this so I can show you how I tape my stick. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and get my tape and all that, and my scissors. And as you guys, probably about in a week or so, or no, tomorrow I'm gonna be at my dad's house, and I'm gonna probably be shooting on the tiles. So it's gonna be pretty cool, and I'm gonna be doing some the Super Deker, which my brother's gonna be filming then. And yeah. This is going to take a while. So I'm just going to talk about stuff while I take this stuff off. So I already uploaded my mini stick one, I think. Or no, I didn't. But I'm going to be uploading that, I think, about around today. Maybe tomorrow, but it takes forever to upload because I have to go on my computer and all that. And I have to edit the video. Put music on it. So as you guys can see this, you guys probably can notice the stick tape is really thin. And I'll show you guys how I do that in a few seconds. Like 2 minutes. Stick is really beat up because I've used this already last season. I had buttons on it, but I took that off yesterday actually. I should have filmed how you take buttons off, but oh yeah, anyways, if you guys don't know what buttons are, it's just a hockey grip. I recommend them so good. I love them because they give you really good grip. It's one of the best #1 grip it says, and you can get different kinds, like the Twirl 88, Twirl 88 with the knob. And then the other one that I had is with the knob, and then it's just a grip. I love it. It's like when you hold on to it, you never take your hand off like tape. But I'm just going to show you guys. Okay, I got my tape taken off. Let me show you. Okay. I'm gonna go downstairs, throw this tape ball away, and yeah. Need scissors, and that's it. Back in. Sorry, the camera in place. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna be showing you how I tape my knob. So I just like to stretch it out a little. Cut this piece off in case there's extra like string on there. Okay. Anyways, I just had to mention, look at how cool that tape looks. Like on the side, I got this American flag tape at Pure Hockey like I always do. I mention like every single video. Wish they could hook me up, but they can't. Okay, so I cut that little split right there. Then I rip it, and then I put, this is kind of a waste of tape, but I just go to Pure Hockey and buy another. Then it's thin tape. And then you can wrap it around your, just wait, I'm gonna get started and then I'll show you. Okay, so it's kind of, you have to make sure you guys can see that. I'll show you what I did at the end, so. It's not gonna take as long as my other video of how to tape my stick on my blade, because those scissors, I have the same scissors, but still, these scissors, bro, garbage. Honestly, like, who would use those? I just found them down in the basement, so I'm just using them for now. And then, yeah. Okay, so after you did that, the thin piece, you're just gonna cut. Okay, you see this? This is not, obviously I'm not doing this. Okay, so then the other half that you took, you're just gonna go like, wherever it is. If I can find it. Jesus. Oh yeah, here it is. Here she is. Okay, and then you're just gonna, okay. It's just, again, this is kind of a waste of tape, but I like to do it. So then, do this. Get this into garbage. Okay. So now, there's my, so then, you just take a little like that. You're gonna start a blade, just normal. I don't do the thin. And then you just go down like that, if you guys can see that. I go down, and then I go back up. I'm gonna go all the way down to here. One more, and then I go back up. So it's a little bit thick. Because you don't want it too thin, otherwise you'll get holes. Which that's gonna be bad. And I'll go back, no. And then I'm just gonna cut this. God, these scissors, they suck. And then, I'm just gonna tape over it. Here she is. I'll tape my knob. Perfect. And then, what I like to do, I can get a good view. I like to rub it on the ground to get it fitted. I like to do it on tile, but let's pretend these are tiles. And then, yeah. Please subscribe. Please subscribe and like, and peace.